To set up extended unlock in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy settings, and then we can scroll down until we find the more security and protection. Now scroll down again and here find extended unlock. Enter a current password for your phone, and then you will have three options for extended unlock. The first one is on body detection. When you activate this option and your phone will recognize that you're carrying it with you, it won't ask you for a password. You will just need to swipe to unlock it. Next option is trusted places. If you activate it, then you can select a specific circle area on the map where your phone will always remain unlocked. To use it, you will also need to have location service active so that it can track your actual location. Then there's trusted devices. If you can add any Bluetooth device that is currently connected with your phone, and then while this device is connected, your phone will remain unlocked. You'll be able to swipe to open it. You don't need to enter a password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.